This is the dryer vent cleaning brush, 28 inches, and you can see the lint on here because I already gave it a whirl. I'll show it at the end of the video, but this is strong, flexible stem. You definitely, it's very, very, very flexible. You can, once you take the dryer lint section out, this definitely fits right in there very easily, and it holds its shape. You can move it around, you can push it in, no problems. They're stiff enough to scrape away all that gunk. You cannot believe the gunk you're gonna get out of your dryer. And then the solid wood handle, of course. My experience, I used it inside my dryer's lint trap housing, and wow, the amount of hidden lint was unreal. At least a handful per dryer, because I have 2 dryers. The brush easily slid into the trap, and I could hook it around the bends to get into that vent line. And hey, you know what? You can also use it under your fridge. You know how you have those coils? This is flexible enough that you can use it for other things as well. Make sure you unplug your dryer to always be safe, and then remove that lint screen, and then insert this into the vent. And I just like moved it around. I twisted and I pulled the brush out of the lint trap, and I did it a couple times, and ooh, I got lots of stuff out. But simple, clean, and surprisingly safe to use. And I'm going to show you how I used it right now.